found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should.
So at the same time, we're gonna say, "Hello, people of Earth." That's my intro, yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello, people of Earth.
I thought you were doing this. You told me to do this.
Okay, ready?
Are we doing this?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, people of Earth.
I'm Yasmin, and this is Brenda, and she's our guest today. She's a professional cake decorator, believe it or not. So we're going to be decorating a heart-shaped cake today, like one of those Pinterest-inspired cakes. So let's get started. Guys, I got it on my pants.
When you were recording. Not us. Not me.
Oh, it's very peachy now. That's kind of the color, right?
Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Actually.
Well, purple is really cute with peach, so I'm kind of down. Yeah, we'll keep it. She's cute. We'll keep her.
You lied to me. Google lied. But it's kind of cute.
Yeah, I like it. It looks cute with this one.
Yeah.
Let's show.
Wait, I'm not done mixing. Let me mix it first, and then we show the final part.
Okay. Can you see I'm a little stressed, guys? I got like food coloring on my pants.
Move it a little bit to the no, not. Okay, yeah, that looks peachy.
Trust the process, okay? Is she okay?
You gotta. No, yeah, you're good. But wait. Show it again on the camera. It looks like it has a bluish tint to it.
Well, oh, they look really vibrant on camera.
Yeah.
Have you guys been to the rave?
A Canadian rave. What was it, a rave?
Technically.
Technically, a French-Canadian rave.
Okay. What, in Canada?
Yeah, in Montreal.
Cool. Did you guys like it?
It was really fun. They had like a free concert thing going on, like a free rave basically.
Mm-hmm.
And then like the alcohol was like hot. It was, since it was winter, it was like hot, like Earl Grey tea with like tequila, which sounds really weird, but it was so good.
It was freezing
It
out
was
there.
freezing.
It was
and
like
you're, like
2
drinking,
degrees outside.
You're drinking your little tequila tea, like partying, and then there's like these like ice queen ladies like walking around on stilts, and like these monkeys. I might insert it if you guys want to see.
Yeah, you got it. You can't just tease it and then not show it.
I'll show you guys. So here's the first layer. She's beautiful. Thank you, Brenda. Queen, and then that's the other one. So we're back at it, and it's right here. So the husband brought more cream cheese for the inside and some cherries for the top. Okay. So now we're gonna put this in here, or on here.
What's the best piece of advice you've been given?
To only take advice from people who are happy with their lives.
Ooh, that is good advice. I like that.
Because a lot of people will try and tell you what to do, but then they're still miserable or like, they're not happy. So it's like, why would you take advice from someone who doesn't even enjoy their life?
That's true.
That's the wisdom I will bestow upon the viewers. The blue I made because I know it's gonna be easy, so I made it. It was great. Brenda tried really hard to make the brown, but it doesn't match. So
She's just ugly. Like,
yeah.
she matches a little bit, but she's not the move.
So,
Plus, I only had these colors to work with, and I can't make brown. I struggled, okay? I really tried.
Yeah, we debated going and getting brown, but that's a lot of work. So instead, we're just gonna use some more of the dark pink on the bottom and then the blue on top, and we think it'll look phenomenal.
positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one.
Don't mind all the mess around her. She's fabulous. Now I use that word.
So how do y'all feel?
We feel accomplished. How do you feel?
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm so happy. It's a lot cuter than I thought it was gonna be.
Really?
No, I don't know.
I mean, she
She had her like little failure moments, but she's pretty cute.
she's still cute.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited to try her. That sounds weird. I'm excited to taste this cake, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll
Are
see
you gonna
guys
give them a
next
pause
time.
section of the cut?
Oh, should we?
No, because it's just white inside.
Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.
Okay, wait. No, let's start over.
We nailed the colors.
I love the green.
Do not touch the cake. I will destroy you. Oh, we got candles.